Check this out. Wait. Right? Simple. Magical. That's the stuff, right? Alright, so let's make some of these. Check it out. Ooh, delicious dangle. Look at that. We're gonna make these. So I'll show you how to cut and tack fuse, what firing schedule to use, and what glue you can use if you're stacking. I want to do a little giveaway. Check this out. I want to ship out let's do a pound. So let's do this. I have one quiz question, one trivia. I don't know what you'd call it. One question. What's the question? Okay, here it is. First person to answer this question, leave it in the comments. What is the highest frequency color in our visible spectrum? Okay, if you are the first correct answer, I'm gonna stoke anywhere in the world. Okay, so oh my gosh, so we all know how many ounces are in a pound, right? Pot smokers now. I'd like to give you just a little bit of everything. Oh, I love this stuff. Look at this one. Where does that put us? One more? 1 pound. Alrighty. Kick ass. Check this out. So leave that comment. You can Google it. I love you all. But like, so many people in Australia just dying for some Dichro, and let me ship this to you. So hit that up. Sound cool? Awesome. That sounds fun. I love this. Maybe we'll do more. But okay, so check this out. We're gonna make these. Let's make these earrings. And I wanna share with you the top 3 life lessons that I've learned through creating with fused glass throughout my 20 years. I'll share number 1, slowing down. Okay, I'm sharing that now because you're probably like, hurry up. Well, that's true. But, you know, now is everything. So let's enjoy that. Okay, are you enjoying now? Right now? Come on. All right, hold on. I'm being a dork. Put you up here. All right, and let's get on this. Woo. All right, okie dokie. How's my hair? Do not comment. It's okay. I love it. I mean, you know, what are you gonna do? Have fun with it, maybe. We're gonna cut some strips. I've got it set for the width that I want. This is the one I like. You can do whatever width you like. Just cut a couple strips. Alright. And I wash that ahead of time and give it a wipe. Nice. Okay, a couple strips of that. Here's some red. Striker. It changes, gets darker red when you fire it. That's what striker means. Okay, oh geez, slow down. Whenever I think of slowing down, I think of breathing. Take a deep breath. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Let's do, what do you think? Blue? I heard you. It's telepathy. Telepathy. Okay. Let's do the blue. Long, straight cut. What do you think? Oh, how dare you? Okay. So that brings us to number 2, which is go with the flow. You know, this is not wasted, so you break it. Go with the flow. You know what? You might not have thought of something that like you might resent, you know, give you an idea for something else that you wanted. Go with the flow is number 2 for me. Nice straight cut. Ooh, that is nice. Okay, here. Safety first. All right, some earrings there, Bubba. Got red and blue. How about you? Where's the green? Not too much pressure, you crack it. Ooh, lovely lady. That's gonna be some purdies. Ooh, see, too much. We're going with the flow, okay? Remember number 2? We breathe, we're good. We're going slow. We're going with the flow, because look at that. Look what broke off of there. This little pyramid thing. And then I'm like, oh shit, that'd be cool too. You know, you got your rectangle earrings, and then this gives me an idea for a little one like this. So I end up making a bunch of those, and it becomes my best seller, right? You have to go with the flow. You don't have to plan out the entire world. In fact, don't get in the way, especially when you're creating. Like, happy accidents are the best accidents, for sure. Cool, cool, cool. So, number 3, go for it. You gotta go for it. Ah, so many ideas, big stuff. Go for it. And you know what? You don't have to know how it's gonna turn out. You don't know. These are the 2 tools I basically use for cutting. Beetle bit keeps it straight up and down, straight side to side as well. This doesn't really. So this will be for cutting, you know, long strips. This is for the shortcut that you need at 90-degree angle. Or actually this does go like this, so you get 45s, 90. That's how I'd make my pyramids with these other ones. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Look at that shit. Go with the flow. I just kind of measure like however long you want. You could do like, that'd be cool. Let's just hit this. I use my hands because I know I'm oil free and clean. You could use these. Just practice with those. Sweet. Own little thingy, and that should be like a perfect little rectangle corners. I love it. We're on to something here. So you could use these and be more exact to hit that line. Oops. Here. Do you want to see this? Just scores it. Okay. Corner. Oh, cut it. Let's cut some of this green then for now. But yeah. So frequency of color is important. The frequency of green is that of unity and love, and it is the heart chakra color. Isn't that kind of fun? And I'll shut up. These flat. Okay. Now we're just gonna glue these. You don't have to glue them. Check it out. Let's try to make sure, if you're doing dichro, that your dichro is It's facing the same direction. This works. Take some glue. Who would have thunk, right? A little dab will do, yeah? That's a lot. That's a big dab. I'm gonna do Dichroic down on this one. So what I do, I've done a few of these. So there's some on both ends so it doesn't spin. That's a big trick. Good trick. Dichroic down. Just keep going. What's your frequency? No, I'm being serious. What's your frequency, you think? You know, the Chalkboard Bridge, this guy, root chakra, heart, crown, whereabouts do you spend the most energy? Lower frequency. Down here, the security, the worry. Oh, see? Yeah, we can. Oh, that one I never glued. Yeah, I'm going to use glue on them all. It holds it tight. Oh, yeah, what's your frequency? What's your frequency? I want to know. And you can change it at any time, anywhere. Let's do this. This is the best I can do. No. Oh, yeah, baby. Since they're so thin, we can do straight up 9999 means as fast as the kiln will go. 9999 to 13. No, let's do 14. 1414 degrees for 14 minutes. Numbers are frequency. Did you get that? It'll be about 4 hours and we'll come back and see what we got. I gotta glue tonight. Got a show 2 days. Okay. Anyway, what do we got? Okay. I see. The worst thing you can do is expect it all to turn out. Ah, really cool. Wait, here, I'll pull it out. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Dig it. Focus. See how we did? See how that turns out? Attack fuse. It's not a full fuse. You could do a full fuse. You can do whatever you wish. That's the fun thing about life. I know. But so here's the singles. Cool, they pick up so many different colors. Oh, look at this. That is wild. See this? See this? Ooh. That's it. You get that gradient on there. Cool. Well, I gotta do some gluing. Who's getting the Dichroic? These little guys. show you this one. Wow. Look at this one. Come here. What is it? It's a green. Wait, it's green. Okay. Wait. Magenta? What about... Oh, the blues. Still got your Dichro here. I'm gonna get that off to you. Congratulations, whoever you are.